Flooding yesterday despite all that rain in certain parts of our viewing area, but it has dried up since. Meteorologist Robert Suhr joining us right now, and yeah, quick rain, quick dry.
Yeah, that's right, and it's going to be, remain dry here for a good part of the week. But we are tracking a couple of showers, which I'll touch on here in just a second. Actually, a lot to get to in this forecast. So first things first, take a look at this shot, folks, because you're probably seeing it for the first time. This is a new RDOT camera. That is the Arkansas River being crossed by Interstate 540 in Fort Smith. This is an absolutely gorgeous shot that we have to us from our friends at the DOT. 81 right now in Fort Smith, a nice dry dew point of 58. Meanwhile, we're looking at I-49 in Johnson on top of the J.B. Hunt building, 75 right now in the Johnson area. Light north winds there at 8 miles an hour. Temperatures right now mostly in the mid to upper 70s for northwest Arkansas. Meanwhile, in the River Valley, as you saw there, 81 in Fort Smith. Other places in the upper 70s. It looks like Boonville checking in with the warmest temperature there of 84. Now, clear skies tonight, light winds. That will set the stage for just a little bit of fog to develop. And you can see we'll start out clear, but maybe tomorrow morning, if you're taking your little one to the school bus, or you're catching an early morning flight across northwest Arkansas, there could be some thick fog out there, maybe a little bit across the Ouachitas, but I think it'll be worse in northwest Arkansas. Sun will come out, that fog will start to dissipate so that before lunch, most of the fog should be out of here. Also, we're watching a little bit of shower chances, and it's because of this area of low pressure across the Gulf. It's kind of cut off from the main jet stream. It's going to kind of meander around, and it's going to retrograde or move backwards, essentially. So Tuesday night, the flow around it could throw a shower or two across extreme northwest Arkansas. But as this low moves closer to us in the Wednesday evening time frame, slightly better chances for a stray sprinkle or two will make themselves known. I think the Fort Smith area should remain dry. We'll see more clouds on Wednesday, then that system will finally get out of here. Also looking at a very good chance, high confidence in above average temperatures in the 6 to 10 day period, actually well above average temperatures for the entire viewing area, and even 8 to 14 days out. A lot of red here, so it looks like the first half of October will remain on the warm side, and it could be on the wet side here. Not as much as the northern plains, but there is a small chance of above average precipitation, as well as 8 to 14 days out as well. So we'll keep an eye on that. Lows tonight, mostly in the lower 50s, northwest Arkansas, upper 50s for the River Valley. We'll rebound tomorrow into the upper 70s and lower 80s for your neighborhood. Now, the extended forecast, again, 97% of the week will feature lots of sunshine and dry conditions. It's that Wednesday night and into Thursday period where we're watching for a sprinkle or two. But I do think Wednesday will definitely be a little bit more cloudy than we first thought. River Valley will miss out on the sprinkles. But warm temperatures, Paul, look at that, back up into the 90s. We could flirt with some records by the time we get to later in the week and early next weekend. We'll just have to see if it gets as warm as we think.
No, just can't shed that 9. All right. Thanks so much, Robert.